Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Osmanthus cake is one of the traditional Chinese pastries. Its history can be traced back to the Song Dynasty. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, osmanthus can relieve cough and reduce phlegm, regulate qi and stomach. Let's get started. Prepare a big bowl. Pour 80 grams of glutinous rice flour, 200 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of sugar, 150 milliliters of water. Add slowly, stir with chopsticks until the water is used up. Turn them into dough of different sizes. The next step is to pass them through a sieve and sift them into a fine powder. This step will take at least half an hour. Prepare a steamer. A piece of clean gauze. Lay it on the bottom of the steamer. Use a spoon to put the mixed flour into the steamer. When it is full, spread the flour slowly with a spoon. Finally, sprinkle with some osmanthus. Cut into 8 pieces with a knife, before steaming. Put it in the steamer, cover it, and steam for 30 minutes after the water boils. The delicious osmanthus cake is ready. My cat seems to like the osmanthus cake too. If you liked today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.